I'm not going all the way. I can't do it because my nerves is too bad. Alright guys, it is day 3, but full day 2. Because we got here like 4 on a Saturday. So this is Monday, February 1st, Black History Month. Come on now. So we are getting ready to get in the shower, get ourselves together. I already washed my face, brushed my teeth, did all that stuff. And yeah, we're gonna get in the shower and get our day started. We're gonna go to this sub shop, Chiba Subs. So anybody that knows me, I'm from up north, New Jersey. Listen, we live for a sub. And so I said, I'm gonna come down here. When I saw the sub shops when we went to In-N-Out Burger on Saturday, I'm gonna go to the sub shop because I love subs and I want to try something different instead of getting like Jersey Mike's or Firehouse, which is my favorite, and or Jimmy John's, and I wanted to try something different. So we're gonna get our day started and hop in the shower. I had to let it run for a little bit, so that's that, letting it run. But anyway, yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get this day started, and I'll see you guys all in a minute. We are officially ready to head out to, babe, where are we going?
Clout.
Wait, no, clout.
Go.
Did y'all get what he said? Because I didn't. What?
Sub shop.
And where are we going after that?
Maybe the Hoover Dam. I don't know.
Just exploring.
Winging it, Jerry.
Alright guys, we are wearing today the Love is Greater Than tee from my line. It's available on, he's wearing it in black and I'm wearing it in heather gray, and it is available at www.loveinspiry.com under shop Inspiry products. You can pick it up over there. Comes in, I think it comes in a sweatshirt too, but the tee is really comfortable, right babe?
Yes ma'am, as all your shirts are.
Look at the plug.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I never let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe.
Alright guys, we are on our way to the Hoover Dam, and we could literally touch the mountains that we have been looking at from afar back. Like, it's like we're literally on top. You gotta be super careful coming around these curves. Like, this is how close we are. I could literally, if I got out the car, I could touch the rock. See how slow we're driving, because it's like, this is kind of nerve-wracking actually. Jersey and living in Georgia now, you experience mountains like this. park on the Arizona side. I looked at reviews on YouTube and it pretty much said that you should park. Oh, let me put my mask on.
Forever, yeah, you, me, written in the stars. You, forever.
Okay, so security checkpoint was a breeze. They really just want to check if you like have a lot of stuff in your car, which I can appreciate because people is crazy nowadays. So we didn't have nothing in the car. All I have is back there is a sandwich that I didn't even freaking finish from Ike's. It wasn't Ike Turner.
Lights out, hearts beating faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't.
So we're officially in Arizona. Hey, babe. We're in Arizona, so once you cross over, welcome to Nevada. But we're officially in Arizona. It's pretty amazing. We're gonna take a hike. Dude, don't even play with me.
Pink sky ride, going faster, getting wilder. Don't care if I get out alive. You feel that beat getting harder, floating on it. We're rebels at least for today.
Hiking.
You got that hike leg?
Are you about that hike like?
Alright, I'll see y'all when we get to the top. I'm not going all the way. I can't do it because my nerves is too bad, y'all. My nerves is too bad. I can't do it. Wait, you gotta do it one time for the gram. This is as close as I'm getting. I don't care about seeing nothing. I don't know how I could get on roller coasters and just drop. I guess it's like, it's kind of like those little swings. You got a whole lot of time to think about what the heck can happen. Oh, Jesus. Have mercy.
take a selfie.
Let's get our picture and leave. Let's get our picture and leave. All right, that's enough. You want me to take a picture? One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that's a good shot, man.
You got it. The dam?
Yeah. Let me know if you want. I need to get mine since I'm up here. Here.
Not even see.
Alright, we're leaving the Hoover Dam. Beautiful. I about had a conniption, but y'all, I don't even understand.
Give me that one replay,
Alright guys, we are about to head to Pinkbox Doughnuts. We kind of have a similar place like this in Alpharetta, Georgia, but you know, obviously we're in Las Vegas, so we're going to try Las Vegas things. So, and Bay loves donuts, don't you? You a donut head. Literally. So, I'm going to take a picture of them. I'm going to take a little video so you can see them. I declare no more.
Oh, you got me. Oh, man.
Yeah, you know.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4. I declare no more. Yo, your nails is so hard.
Streaky three-point shooter, 45% this year, but always hunting.
Hey, not going for Q.
No. Your stuff is much bigger than mine. You lifting it. No.
You on the Bible.
Oh, I need the Lord, that's why.
Precious Achua in, Dan Adebayo sits with 5 early points. Now follow me on this. All fits together for Charlotte. They're forcing 16 turnovers a game. They're scoring 20 points off them, and they're getting 16 points per game off their fast break. Bunch of good fuel by their defense. What a block by
See, your thumb is longer than mine. This is like set up for a punchline. About. Oh!